When it comes to digital documents, two formats dominate almost every workspace and school environment: PDF and Word. Both are incredibly useful, but they serve very different purposes. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between PDF and Word, when to use each one, and how choosing the right format can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's start with Word documents, also known as .doc or .docx files. Word is designed for creating, editing, and formatting text-heavy documents. It gives you flexibility. You can adjust fonts, layout, tables, images, and spacing with ease. Word is perfect for drafts, assignments, reports, letters, and anything that requires frequent editing. It's also ideal for collaborative work because multiple people can edit the same file, track changes, and leave comments. If your document needs ongoing revisions, Word is usually the better choice. On the other hand, PDFs are all about locking in the final version. When you save something as a PDF, it looks exactly the same on every device. The layout, spacing, and fonts remain consistent. That's why PDFs are the preferred format for official documents like contracts, application forms, certificates, resumes, proposals, and receipts. If you want your document to look polished, uneditable, and professional, PDF is the way to go. It ensures no accidental changes happen when sharing your file with others. Another big difference is compatibility. Word files sometimes look different depending on the software version or device being used. A document created on one computer might shift formatting when opened on another. PDFs solve this problem because they preserve everything exactly as it was created. They're universally readable across laptops, phones, tablets, and even browsers. This makes them a reliable format for long-term storage and sharing. Security is another area where PDFs stand out. With PDF editors, you can add passwords, restrict copying or printing, and even prevent editing altogether. This is important for sensitive documents like financial records, HR files, or legal agreements. Word also offers password protection, but it's not as strong or widely supported as PDF security settings. When it comes to editing, Word clearly wins. The format is flexible and easy to update. PDFs can also be edited, but it requires a PDF editor, and sometimes the process is not as smooth. That's why many people write and format their document in Word first, then export it as a PDF once it's final. Speaking of workflow, another advantage of PDFs is that they support digital signatures and forms, making them useful for modern digital transactions. You can fill out forms, sign documents electronically, and share them instantly. Word documents can handle forms too, but they're more complicated to set up and often don't look as clean. So, which one should you use? It depends on your needs. Use Word for writing, brainstorming, editing, or collaborating. Use PDF when you are ready to share the final version, protect the layout, or send something official. Many people use both formats together. Word for creating, PDF for delivering. Choosing the right format not only saves time, but also helps you communicate more clearly and professionally. Understanding the strengths of each one will help you work smarter and avoid document headaches. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more practical tech guides like this one.